everyone, welcome back again to English video by Fame Club. In this video, we're going to discuss the present simple English grammar tense. So, let's get started. The present simple tense is the most basic English grammar tense. We use it to describe something that happened regularly, routinely, and commonly done in the present. Also, it can be used to describe facts and habits. If the subject is I, you, they, we, use the simple form of the verb. For the example, I run every morning. I usually walk to the store. I speak English. If the subject of a sentence is he, she, or it, we add an s, sometimes an es, to the end of the verb. For the example, she runs every morning. He goes to school. She speaks English. Now, let's take a look at the negative form. I don't play chess. He doesn't play chess. Do you see the difference? The first sentence, we use don't in between the subject and verb. Don't is a contraction for do not. In the second sentence, we use doesn't if the subject is he, she, or it. It's a little bit different. Instead of do not, use does not. And for the verbs, we don't add s or es to the end. Now, let's talk about the question form. In the question form, we also have to use that helping verb, which is do or does. We put do or does at the beginning of the question. For the example, do they live here? Does he play soccer? And we also can put the question word at the beginning of the question. For the example, where do you live? What does she cook in the kitchen?